Welcome to the Prido podcast YouTube channel where we post about Prince and Dorathy. So a lot's gonna be shown in this video, from Dorathy and Prince giving us the her view, his view moment, and Dorathy putting her legs on Prince, and also Dorathy going on a private jet to Ghana without telling her fans, because I mean she's always private, yeah. Also Dorathy being live at ITEL Explorers having a blast, the crowd was crazy, and also Prince getting surprised by royal armies with an iPhone. iPhone 12. You guys should just sit back and listen, watch, because this video is gonna be mad. Okay? So apparently, if you know you love Prince, you know you love Dorathy, you know you love the Prido cruise, this video is for y'all, okay? So literally, let's go back to February 14th, February 15th. Shippers were literally pissed off that Prince and Dorathy, they were not coming through with our moments. And then yesterday, boom, our moments came along, guys. So yesterday, Prince posted the video of Dorathy's fingers. This was crazy, guys, and this was not all. Dorathy that came with her view, his view. She posted her own with her legs on him. You like
what you see? You like.
Anyways, Prido shippers were so happy. We were literally excited and glad that his view, her view was here to stay. And the next video we saw was Prince and Dorathy on the plane together.
No corona, Dora.
Yes, corona, please. Wear your mask.
Take that shit off, baby.
Wear your mask.
Oh shit. Take that shit. Oh shit. Take that shit. Fuck wrong with them. Touchdown, me and him. Fuck the meme. Got it. No. This is 22. It's Josh. This is 22. It's Josh. It's Josh.
And then once again, Prince came in with his view again, like, see the baby girl, ooh.
I wanna wake up in a Lamborghini. I want to ride a Santorini.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, all the way from Lagos.
Abs tight, rack stuck up, shack height, jury on me, flashlight.
You guys are looking amazing, huh?
Boy, you talk.
Smile for me, even if you're sad.
And also we bring you the gist of what happened on Tuesday, the day before yesterday. Dorathy was live with ITEL, and also Explorers came along, and this was how it all went, okay?
I want to have Dorathy.
Guys, yes! We are happy to see you.
I'm a fine girl.
Let me just hug you. Let me hug you. I never sleep for 4 days now. 4 days. 4 days I never sleep. 4 days. I don't want to. Let me hug you 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. Let me hug you. I will hug you. Let me just hug you. Let me hug you. 6 o'clock.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have promised and we have delivered. The best you can do now is to show me and show with ITEL. We are going through them. They have the opportunity to take personal selfie with her. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Say hello, guys.
after you. Better be down to me, yo. Got me chasing after you. I go chop life before life go chop me.
So let's just see what's happening here. So apparently Dorathy went to Ghana on a private jet for a galantine with her girls. Man, our fave, she is so damn private.
Make you know they bother with me. Your father, what you wanna acquire with me? Stutter like a motherfucker. They made us who we are.